Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your homes. So today I am going to start one new topic, and our topic name is ascending order. So in this topic we are going to learn how we arrange numbers in ascending orders. So first of all, what is ascending order? When we write numbers from smallest to greater. So when ascending order means when we write numbers smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. That time we call that order ascending order. For example, see, here I am going to draw some balls. So now students, it is ball A, ball B, ball C, ball D and ball E. Now, how I will put all these balls in ascending order. So here I have written ascending order means smallest to greatest. So which one is smallest in this picture? So we can compare easily. Ball E is smallest. So here I will draw ball E picture, and after ball E, which is smaller? So ball C. And after ball C, this one is also ball A. After ball A, which one is smaller? We can compare both balls. B. Ball A. Then ball B. Next, last one is ball D. So, in this way, we can write any numbers in ascending order. So first of all we will observe which one is, suppose 4 numbers are given, so which one is smallest? Okay, so after the smallest number we will write the next smallest number. Okay, so let's start our today's work with some question. So student, I have written heading, and so here I have written first question. In first question, 4 numbers are given. First is 465, second is 794, next is 367, and the fourth is 285. So student, first of all, ascending orders means we will write numbers smallest to greatest. So all numbers are in hundreds group. Okay, so now first we check the digit placed at the hundreds place of all the numbers. So here 4 is given, here 7 is given, here 3 is given, here 2 is given. Okay, so among all these which one is the smallest? So we can observe कि सबसे छोटा जो hundreds place value पे number है वो क्या है? That is 2. So this one is our smallest number, 285. So in our answer, so 285. So after 285, which is next? The number with the smallest digit in the hundreds place is the smallest number. The number with the next greater digit place. Okay. So now next, after 285, which is, see, this one we have already written So now we will skip. Okay. Now next is, if we will compare both 3, 4, 465, 794, 367. So we know that 367 is smaller among these three. Okay. Now next, when we compare both number, 465 is smaller than 794. 465, and which one is greatest? 794. So in this way you will write numbers in ascending order. Now come to the next question. Question 2. One 129, 291, 921, and the third one is 299. So again same concept we will use. So which one is, see, all the numbers are given in 100. Yes, here 129, 291, 921 and 299. सारे नंबर क्या 100 में given है. So in our answer, now which one is smallest number? So here, first of all, we will check all the digits which are given in hundreds place. So which one is smallest? So easily 129 is smallest. So here I will write 129. So after 129, 291, 921, 299. See, here 2 is given and there also. Okay, now see, in hundreds place digits are same. So we will check next number, means which number is given in tens place. Okay, so here 9 is given, here also 9 is given, both are again same. Oh my god, ये तो एक puzzling हो गया. Okay, now if both are same, so we will check next place value, and next place value is ones. Here 1 is given, here 9 is given. So when we compare both digits 1 and 9, we know that 1 is smaller than 9. So which number I will write here? 291. Again one more time I am going to explain. See student, see in both number, दोनों numbers में जो पहली hundreds place पे जो digit है वो 2 है. Okay, so we will check next place value, and in next place value is tens, and here 9 is given, there also यहाँ भी 9 given है और वहाँ भी. Now so same digits are given. Now check next place value, ones place value. Here 1 is given, here 9 is given. So now easily we can compare that. हम compare कर सकते, then 1 is smaller than 9. So this is a smaller number among these three. Okay. Now next is this 299. So only 1 is remaining. So it is our greatest number. 921. Now come to the third question. $525, $557, $590 and $582. So in this question also, all numbers are given in 100. Okay. So सबसे पहले, first of all, we will check which one is the smallest number. See, so we will see 100 number means we will check first of all hundreds place. Okay, so which digit is given in hundreds place, we will check in all the numbers. So सबसे पहले here 5 is given, there also, here also, there also. It's mean now we will check next place value, and here this is tens. Okay, so 2 is given, 5 is given, 9 is given, 8 is given. So all digits are changed. So with the help of the tens place value, easily we can find our answer. Okay, so now this one I will remove. Okay, so which one is the smallest? 2 is smallest because 5, 9, 8 all are bigger. Okay, so 2 is the smallest. So our answer is, first number is 525. 2 सबसे बड़ा इसमें टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू में जो नंबर है डिजिट्स है उसमें 2 is स्मॉलेस्ट. सो our first number is 525, and after 525, see 5, 9, 8. So the next is 557. After 557, the next number is, उसके बाद जो next is small, see only two digits, sorry, 2 numbers are remaining. Okay, so easily we can compare that here 9 is given, here 8 is given. So which one is smaller? 8 is smaller. So 582. So after 582, 590. So in this way, student, we will write numbers in ascending orders. So I hope, student, you enjoyed your today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.